Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Magento customer tokens for storefront UI security. Full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Magento customer tokens for storefront UI security, begin by ensuring your environment is properly set up. Install Magento and make sure your store is running smoothly. Access the Magento admin panel with your admin credentials. Navigate to the Stores section and select Configuration. Under Configuration, locate and click on the API section. Enable the Customer Token option to allow token generation. Next, open your terminal and navigate to your Magento root directory. To generate a customer token, you will need the customer's credentials. Use the command line to send a request to the token generation endpoint. Format the request in JSON, including the customer's email and password. Send the request to the /v1/integration/customer/token endpoint. Upon successful authentication, the system will return a customer token. Store this token securely, as it will be used for subsequent API requests. Now, proceed to make a request to the storefront UI. Include the customer token in the authorization header for the request. Format the header as authorization bearer, your _customer_token. This ensures that only authenticated users can access specific storefront features. For subsequent API calls, reuse the customer token for seamless interaction. Monitor the token expiration time to maintain secure sessions. If needed, implement a mechanism to refresh the token to enhance security. Test the process thoroughly to ensure that it works as intended. Document any errors or issues encountered during authentication. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate with Magento customer tokens for storefront UI security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.